everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet donuts.
Okay, I just got this mini donut pan that I ordered off of eBay, so you can make 30 mini donuts in this. So for this recipe, we are going to need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of butter melted, which is 1 stick, and then if you want, you can use some frosting and some kind of sprinkles if you want to decorate it up. I thought it'd be cute for Valentine's Day since it's red velvet to go ahead and use some white frosting that I added some food coloring to, and then some red sprinkles. So first we want to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 because of course these are baked donuts, not fried. Okay, so the next step is go ahead and melt your butter. I just threw mine in the microwave for about a minute, but it is really hot, so you want to let it sit for a little while because when you add your eggs, you don't want them to get cooked in there. Okay, after your butter has cooled for just a couple, it's not that long, maybe 20-30 seconds, I went ahead and added my milk, which that also helped it cool down, and then you just want to touch it to make sure that it's not very hot, and you can go ahead and add your eggs in and just mix those with an electric mixer. Next, we're going to add our cake mix. Okay, that is really mixed well and nice and smooth. So next, I just went ahead and sprayed my little mini donut pan, just so the donuts don't stick to that. And next, I'm just going to pipe out some of the mixture. I'm just going to use a ziplock bag and cut the end off of it. If you have a piping bag, that works too. You just want to fill them up, but not all the way completely to the top. Okay, those look good, so I'm going to go ahead and stick those in the oven. Now, if you're making the regular size donuts, it does say 15 to 20 minutes. But since I am making the mini, my mini pan came with some instructions that said 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to stick with that one. Okay, my first batch is done, and they were really easy to pop out. Now you just want to cool those on a wire rack. And I have my second batch in. I might actually get 3 batches out of this mix, so that's going to be 90 of these little mini donuts. But as you can see, they're really little, bite-sized. But now we're going to go ahead and let these cool for a couple minutes, and I'm going to prepare the frosting. Okay, I just put a little bit of my frosting in there with a little bit of milk just to make it this really thin consistency. And I'm just going to dip my donuts in there and just let them dry, or put some sprinkles on there and then just let them dry. And like I said, I did add a little red food coloring to my white frosting to make it this pink color. Okay, my donuts are all ready to go. I left some with icing, and then I left some without icing, and put sprinkles on them, and they just turned out so cute. So we are going to have taste tester have a little taste. Okay, we got these cute little Valentine's Day plates, and we got taste tester one that has sprinkles on it. Hi, you ready to have a little taste?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, have a little taste.
Mm-hmm. Yum. Yummy.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.